In this video, I'll show you how to connect a Facebook page to Instagram step by step. First, open Facebook and switch to the Facebook page you want to connect. Go to Settings and Privacy, select Settings, and look for Linked Accounts or Instagram. Choose Connect Account and sign in to the Instagram account you want to connect. Review the permissions and confirm the connection. You can also connect the accounts through Meta Business Suite by opening your business portfolio, going to Settings, selecting Business Assets, and adding your Instagram account to the appropriate Facebook page when available. Once connected, you can manage eligible Facebook and Instagram content, messages, and other business features from Meta Business Suite. If the connection doesn't work, make sure you're using the correct Instagram account and that you have the required access to both the Facebook page and Instagram account. Finally, check your page settings and Meta Business Suite to confirm that the accounts are connected successfully. That's how you can connect a Facebook page to Instagram and manage both platforms together. If you found this video helpful, please like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications for more easy Facebook, Instagram, and Meta tutorials. Thanks for watching.